Hi everyone, this is Indranil Ghosh, physical education teacher and football coach of Army Public School, Old Kent, Prayagraj, and also the organizing secretary of online sports quiz. Okay, on day 1 I have got more than 200 entries, which is pretty good in number, and I hope that it will increase in the coming days. Just to clear your doubts, I want to tell you regarding this sports quiz some of the things which must be very clear with you all. Okay, so first of all, this quiz competition will be in 3 parts, as I have told you earlier also. First will be on 26th of July. Before that, on 24th of July, I will be forming a WhatsApp group in which you will be getting all the details about the competition. Now, it is only specifically for class, this competition is for class 6 to class 10th. Those who have passed class 10th this year in 2020, just now the result was declared few days back, they are not supposed to take part. Those who have promoted from class 9th to class 10th can only take part. Okay, and you have to fill the registration form which is there in the Google, which I have shared the link with you all. ध्यान रखिएगा कि after making the WhatsApp group, I will be organizing the competition in that group only. Regarding what is going to be asked in that sports online contest, quiz contest, is that only the general or basic GK of games and sports. It can be from any sports. So ध्यान रखिएगा, आप इतना एकदम डीपली मत, मैं कोई चीज़ नहीं पूछूंगा, बट एक बेसिक स्पोर्ट्स का सभी को थोड़ा बहुत पता होना चाहिए, चाहे वो फील्ड मेज़रमेंट से हो, चाहे वो स्पोर्ट्स पर्सनालिटीज़ को लेकर हो, कुछ भी पूछा जा सकता है, बट एक बेसिक लेवल पे. ओके, सो ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट टू ऑल ऑफ यू फॉर द स्पोर्ट्स ऑनलाइन स्पोर्ट्स क्विज कॉन्टेस्ट. गिव योर बेस्ट शॉट ऑफ द डे. थैंक यू.